very excited right now. I got a package from eBay. Second package I ever got, actually my third. So we're going to unbox this, and I'm actually going to, let's see if this thing, I don't have the tablet little stand anymore. It's stupid, but I'm gonna try to, hold on, I'm gonna just open it so I could, it's packed well. I'm using barber scissors, but who cares? Because my box cutter's not with me. I couldn't get my box cutter. Right. Okay, I've breached that side. Now let's breach the other side. Don't cut myself. It's gonna hurt. Alright. Come on. Alright, breached. I just need to open the top and... Okay, we've got the top open. And we should be able to get in and find... Oof. Alright. Wrapped in a bunch of crud. We have this. Probably may not recognize it right now. And there's just a bunch of other crud, but... Hold on. It's a bunch of tape and stuff. Not really 100% necessary, but who gives a freezing crap? But I got Simplex detector. Wrapped right now. Okay, here we go. And we should be able to get this. Simplex 409897. Actually, it's a 9601 conventional non-addressable detector. So there it is right here. You can see this is what I'm going to be using as the detector on my system. It is used. It was removed from my working system. The base looks perfect, and this looks really cool. Uses 24 volts DC. Just need to, you know, I have to power it first, which apparently I'll have to wait a little bit, but yeah, this is what I got in the mail. And I can't mount this damn thing on the mail. Where is it? Yeah, just, you know, a pan. Get it on there, you go. Yeah, I'll be using this with the system. There it is, True Alarm. It's conventional, the LED's on up here. I absolutely know it should work. Yeah. Cool. So I'll be putting this up on the system. I'll actually be testing it out off camera to make sure it works. There we go.